A common problem I'm seeing on these Altos is people put so much input into them that they burn up this little limiting circuit here. There's little inductors here, L1, L2, L3, I think they're labeled. Anyway, these burn up, and then these Zeners get shorted, and then the whole thing doesn't work. In a perfect world, I would buy this board and replace this, but since these boards don't seem to be available, the next best thing is to remove these inductors, remove these Zeners, and then put in a little jumper wire. Kind of looks like that. And I removed these input jacks just to make it makes it a lot easier to work on. This is for the TS212 pre-board. And although it's not perfect, it does make the unit working once again. I've already done this procedure on this board, and it does work.